Welcome, my friends. I'm Jen Hilman. Thank you so much for joining me for this special 3-part smoothie series. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some really simple recipes for some of my favorite smoothies. Today, we are going to be focusing on a recipe for a green smoothie, which features pineapple, spinach, and mint for an extra special flavor. So go ahead and like this video, leave your comments below and let me know what are your favorite smoothie ingredients. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Then go ahead and pull out your blender and let's get ready to make a smoothie. We'll be using oat milk as part of our base. And I love this oat milk because it has a lot of great protein and a super creamy flavor. We'll be using banana to give us a nice, smooth, creamy texture. Some organic frozen pineapple chunks, which is going to give us that sweet and tart flavor. Organic spinach. So spinach is one of those superfoods. You want to be sure you're getting plenty of greens throughout the day, and adding a handful of spinach to a smoothie is one of my favorite quick and easy ways to make sure that I'm getting my greens for the day. Also features fresh mint. When blended with the pineapple is absolutely delicious. I think you're going to love it. Lastly, we are going to be using some ground flax meal, which is basically ground up flaxseed. And flax is super high in those amino acids, those fatty amino acids that your brain needs for healthy hormone production. So this is another great way to get those essential proteins that you need in one easy, delicious smoothie. And just like that, you've got yourself a tasty and nutritious green smoothie to help get you through till the next meal. I hope you enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you in part 2, where we explore red smoothie.